Bali, Indonesia, often called the last paradise on earth, is rich in natural beauty and vibrant culture, making it an irresistible destination for travelers. Here are the top 10 must-visit spots in Bali. Uluwatu, known for its breathtaking views. Uluwatu boasts pristine beaches and the 11th century Bukit Peninsula Temple, perched 70 meters above sea level, offering unforgettable sunsets. Kuta Beach. Bali's most popular beach offers great surf, white sands, and local markets. It's only 15 minutes from the airport and is ideal for water sports lovers. Kintamani Mount Batur. This dormant volcano has erupted 24 times and offers scenic views, with Lake Batur at its base and cozy hilltop restaurants for dining with a view. Sukawati Art Market. Famous for its affordable art, this market offers wood and stone sculptures, boutique fabrics, and traditional Balinese handicrafts. Ubud. A cultural hub with flower gardens, temples, and museums, Ubud also offers yoga, meditation, and art exhibitions, set amid lush nature. Seminyak Beach. Perfect for experiencing Bali's nightlife, Seminyak features golden beaches, windsurfing, and fantastic seafood. Tanah Lot. This sacred temple on a cliff over the sea has a serene, spiritual vibe and is especially beautiful when the tide makes it appear like a floating island. The Art Village. Known for its long tradition of handicrafts, this village showcases silver jewelry, wood carvings, and unique souvenirs. Tirta Empul Temple, an ancient temple with revered holy springs where visitors can experience Bali's spiritual culture amid scenic green hills. Nusa Dua, a perfect beach for honeymooners. Nusa Dua is tranquil, surrounded by lush scenery, and ideal for romantic sunsets. Bali's mix of natural landscapes and unique culture ensures these destinations offer something special for every visitor. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you discover some amazing spots in Bali. If you enjoyed this content, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. And if you're already subscribed, thank you. Your support means the world to us and truly brightens our day. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.